Good afternoon, it's Clarkson Commercials here again, and here is something we haven't had for a long time. This one's a 2008 on a 08 plate Ford Transit 260. Fairly normal and conventional up to now. This is an ex-British Telecom van, been with BT from new. The BT vans are without doubt the cream of the used van crop. However, they really have dried up over the last 12 months. We used to have 5, 8, 10, 15 in stock at any one time, direct from British Telecom. But this is the first one we've had for probably 4 or 5 months now. They really have disappeared off the scene. Lots to tell you about this, lots you probably haven't seen already, but all will be revealed in a second or so. Right, this is where it all gets very interesting. This has been a van, an electronics engineer's van for BT. It's got the bench seat in the back there, it's got a folding desk, fluorescent tube up there, and it's got a directional spotlight here. It's got the metal storage. You can click, you can hook the plastic bins on there, the plastic trays. I can't remember the name for them, but you can hook your plastic trays and have all your oddments on there. We've got shelving over here, 2 shelves. This desk flips up and it should click into place. Hold on. There we go. The desk does retract up, gives you 2 storage shelves down there. We've got a laptop safe in here. We've got 2 12-volt power points in here for whatever you may desire. The fluorescent light is operated via this switch here where my finger is. Now, BT, being the massive company that it is fitted with an Eberspacher night heater. This is the same heating device that you would get in the sleeper cab of trucks. When you see these trucks parked up at the services, that's what the drivers use to heat their cabs. That, I think, is about £1,500 alone, believe it or not. It's diesel powered, and it's a heating device that can be operated to heat the cabin in here, or heat the workspace in here when the engine is not running. The heater itself will be concealed behind that panel there, and just down there there's a black vent. That's where the hot air will come out. Got a rubber non-slip floor, non-slip grip tape along the bottom here. Coming round to the back of the van, what we have is, again, racked out on the right hand side and against the bulkhead there, and it's got there's actually some concertina like partitioning that will go in there. We have it, the boys have taken it out when we've cleaned it, and they've got the 2 nylon belts there to click it in with. We've got a hand wash station here. You've got a hand sanitizer, hand cleanser and protective cream. You've also got a paper towel roll holder there that of course is empty just now. Got rear parking sensors on it as well across the back bumper there. That bumper is a factory option. It's got the step on it, and you've got the parking sensors along the back there. You've got a load through facility that goes from here right up to the back of the front seats, and the same with that load slide facility through the back there. It's a really interesting van. Got the beacon up top there to keep Mr. Health and Safety happy. I'll just close the doors and give you a rundown of the back doors. So really very much probably a one-off. With all the gear in the back, you could if you can make use of it all, fabulous, absolutely great. Alternatively, you could remove the parts that you do not require. But for the right man, it's a wonderfully handy piece of kit. And you and I, as private individuals or small business owners, would never spend that money that's been spent in the back there. Round to the paperwork side, what we have is the blue remote key. We've got the black spare key. That's 2 keys there, if you can see them, for the laptop safe I showed you in the back a second ago. The logbook confirming that it's a one-owner vehicle. MOT'd until when? March of 2014, with no advisories picked up at the last test. Service history, starting at 9,000 miles, 17, 24, 28, 36, 38 and 41. There we have the key numbers, the radio numbers, the radio code as well, sorry. And really that is the reason why, ladies and gents, the BT vans really are the cream of the crop. That's just a duplication of the service history. Handbook pack, all correct, present, everything's all there that should be there, and this paperwork here is all relating to that Eberspacher night heater that I mentioned a minute ago. So if you have any concerns about buying a used van at all, this one without doubt should put even the most cynical mind at rest. HPI checked by ourselves. We check them all with HPI. We run them through our workshop for a very rigorous check, but this one passed with flying colours. Electric windows both sides. It's got the hill holder clutch and the economy shift light that I'll explain later. Right, all the ignition lights come on as they should when I turn the ignition on. I'm standing outside the vehicle, but it is in neutral. And there we are, straight off to a smooth 800 RPM, and the red light is telling me that the door is open. 41,854 miles in his life, and as I say, it does have the full service history. Been with BT from new, it's not been anywhere else in his life. So there we go, a very interesting van. I've rambled on far longer than I should have done, but it certainly is not your average tranny van. My name is Barry. As per all the videos, I've just got to say that all the vans that we sell are second hand, and they may have general wear and tear commensurate with age and mileage, but rest assured we really do sell the cream of the crop, and this van is right up there with the best of them. Right, so I hope that's of interest. We offer van finance, van insurance, van lettering, everything connected with vans. If you're into your Facebook thing, look us up, give us a like on Facebook, and you can keep up with all the company goings on and the new stock arriving in. We offer van rental as well if you're not ready to buy. We certainly do you a very good deal on a long-term van hire, and if you buy a van from us, we'll certainly do you a very, very special deal. There we go. Sorry to have rambled on for 7 minutes, but I had loads to tell you about that vehicle in particular. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and hope to speak to you soon.